Hey everyone, Kerry Knoll here, and today we're going to learn a little bit about the ideas section within HighLevel. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, welcome back. So in this particular video, I want to show you the next item on the list, ideas. When you click on it, it actually opens up another window again because it goes to ideas.gohighlevel.com. And this is actually powered by something called Canny.io or something along those lines, but it says powered by Canny down here. It's very cool. What they have here is a roadmap, feedback, change log. You can sign in and you can see all the different boards. These are all the different things that people are in, all the different areas of the software they put into these boards, right? Ad reporting and attribution, APIs, app marketplace, automations, blog, bulk actions, calendar, call tracking, client portal, communities, yada, yada, yada. So there's all of these different areas. And then we have these roadmap down here which says planned. So it shows you everything that's planned, everything that's in progress, right? Everything that's been completed. So what's really, really cool is the high-level developers, the company, the owners, etc., are very much in tune with listening to, getting and working with their customers and clients, gathering their feedback and improving upon what the marketplace needs and wants. Super, super awesome. So what happens is, like this one, for instance, it's upvoted here because I upvoted it. Forms allow custom values to be updated with forms. This is something I've been wanting, and it's now planned. It was just moved into plan maybe a couple days ago. So what's awesome about this, if I click on it, I'll just show you what this looks like. It says, you know, this person originally wrote, hey, currently there seems to be 2 ways to update custom values. This was set up, their first post on this and setting this particular item up was back on August 6th of 2022, you know, and then other people had commented about what they wanted to see in here. And if we keep going down, there I am, boom. Yeah, custom values needs to be available to be used on a form and survey, or at the very least, custom fields needs to be able to display their stored values and or pre-filled values on a sales page, not just in the CRM via SMS or email. I'm shocked that both of these features were not implemented when either were created, as it just seems so logical for them to be applied to in these manners. The idea is almost 1 year old. I don't believe that this would take all that long to change update. Do you think we can get this done this month? I put that out there in August and it's now December 2023 and they finally greenlit it. It is now in the planning stage to get done, right? So that was my comment. Someone else said something, someone else said something, and someone else said something. And I basically liked most of their comments and upvoted it, and that's how this works. So if I go back and there was something else, you know, that I wanted to look into that hasn't been done yet, like I can go to my account and go to settings. Let's see, I can go to notifications. So it shows you all the things that I've voted on in the past. If there's any updates, anyone else made a comment or liked my stuff or whatever, I can go back and look at it and I can see what's all there. And then I can look at the change log. I can do all kinds of things. So if I was looking for something in particular, again, I can look at, you know, I don't know, any of these, right? Paid courses and communities. So this is something people want. It's in progress, right? Marked as in progress. So they're developing this particular thing right now. And these are all the people that voted on wanting this particular thing. So you can see how cool this can be and how easy you can start something. You can create something from scratch. And then, you know, if I just go into ad reporting attribution, I can create a post here if I want to by giving it a title, details, and I've created a brand new post. But what you want to do is really search for your idea first to see if someone else has already created a post and contribute to that post first and foremost. So you want to make sure that, you know, if there's already something exactly what you need or what you want, and you can upvote it and add your comment and then like their stuff and reply to those other comments. That helps boost it up so that it actually gets planned and put into the works, right, into the system itself. So you want to do that before creating a brand new post. Unfortunately, a lot of people get lazy. They don't search. They don't look for what they're wanting to have done, and then they create a post, and then there's 2, 3, 4 of these. Again, the moderators here are very good about combining posts. So if they see something that you've posted or created or someone else has created and there's another post exactly like it, they'll merge them, stuff like that. So it is good that way, but try not to create a new one if it's already in existence. All right, so that's the ideas board, and I wanted to share that with you. It's very, very cool. You should definitely get involved with it. It'll be very helpful for the community. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll do my best to answer them in a timely manner. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you real soon. Take care.